It's a good baby. It's a good baby. Yeah. She loves some scratchies. Here, you want a high five? Yeah. Oh, let's see. We'll get that tail feather. We'll get that tail feather. I'm not going to pick you up. No. That's not happening.
He's trying.
Yeah, he wants to go for a ride. He keeps telling me, I love you. Yeah, he's upside down now. Who's that sweetie? Oh, I love you too. Yeah, you're very cute. Yeah. Oh. Just trying to calm you into a ride, I know. You're a good baby, though. You're a very sweet baby bird. Yes. Very nice, sweet baby bird. Yeah. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to TV Land. Say bye-bye-bye. Okay.